So today I will make a folder with the help of Java. First of all, I have to call the import statements import java.util.scanner. It is written over here. Import java.io.file. So this is for taking in the input, and this is import java.util.scanner is for taking the input from the user. Import java.io.file is for doing the file operations. Public class name is dr Kunal Gagneja. Public static void main is the name of the thread. Public is declared public. Okay, this method has got the name of gccba. Throws exception. I'm throwing an exception because any sort of unexpected thing can happen. The file may not exist, the file may have the wrong name, or the file may give me an exception. For that I have to throw the exception. Long sta is equal to system dot nanotime. It is calculating, or sorry, it is catching the current time of the system in terms of nanoseconds. System dot out dot print, put the folder name. This is to print out the value that put the folder name. Scanner input is equal to new scanner system.in. This is for taking in the value inside the Java code. String directory name is equal to input dot next line. It is for going to the next line. If new file directory name dot mkdirs, so if that file name does not exist, you have to create a file name, sorry, you have to create a folder name. If that folder does not exist, system.out.print folder plus directory name plus is made. So folder is made and the name of that folder is directory name. Else system.out.println and folder directory name already there. So if that folder is already there, then it will print that folder already exists, or that folder is already there. Long stb is equal to system.nanotime. It is again calculating the second time of the system. It is subtracting both the values sta and stb. It is subtracting, then system.out.println the time to execute the code in nanoseconds is plus stc. stc is the difference of stb and sta. So I'm subtracting the nanosecond at the end of the program from the time in nanoseconds at the start of the program, and I am calculating the total time of execution of the program in nanoseconds. Now I will give you the sample output. I'll right click on it and I'll go to the run file. Now it is asked for me to put the folder name. The folder name is Kunal Gagneja, KUNAL space GAGNEEJA. Folder Kunal space Gagneja is made. The time to execute the code in nanoseconds is 16196671600. I'll go to this. I'll right click on the properties Kunal space Gagneja. The time which is showing is 17 October 2020, 17:35 48 seconds, which is totally matching with the current time of the system. See, 17:36:15. So the folder was created just now only. Now I will run this code again. Kunal space Gagneja. This will give me an error. That folder is already there. Time to execute the code in nanoseconds is 792027480. Folder is already there. See, the time is showing is 1735. So, but the current time is 1736. So, this is the old folder. Now I will create one more folder. I'll again right click on run file. The folder name without space this time will be Kunal Gagneja. Mind you, last time I was putting a space. Folder Kunal Gagneja is made. The time to execute the code in nanoseconds is 81821388800. Kunal Gagneja is made. The time is 1737. I'll go to the properties of it. It is showing the time created is 17 October 2020, 173708. and here the time is also matching 173730 or 3233. I'll run it again. Without space, I'm giving Kunal Gagneja. Folder Kunal Gagneja is already there. The time to execute the code in nanoseconds is 840-510-5800. So the time is 1737, but here it's showing the old time only, but the current time is 1738. So as you can see that the folder is already there, so computer has not messed up with anything. That's all. Thanks a lot for watching, and please click on the thumbs up like button, and please subscribe to my channel, and good day.